to remove this steering wheel, you actually have to push these little holes right here with you can use a small Allen key. Just push it, this will come off on one side. I already have it off, but just showing you. And then there's the other one on this other side right there. So you push it and then this will come off. And the battery's been disconnected for quite a while. So I'll actually start taking this off. It's got these little clips on here. These little yellow clips come out. Guess not here on the bed it did. There it goes. And I'm not gonna be using that anymore. 21 mil, which I already have here. And for this, I'm using the impact. That's that. I won't take it off all the way, just enough to be able to take out the steering wheel. Hopefully, I'm not gonna have to use the steering wheel puller. There it goes. That's the nut right there. And usually whenever I break it, whenever I'm taking off the steering wheel, I'll leave a couple of threads on there and then pull it, because you don't want it hitting your face. And take it all the way out. Alright, that just pulls out. Alright, that's that. Alright guys, so I ended up modifying my OEM steering wheel due to the fact that the one I purchased did not fit the adapter. Again, second time. So I said I'm not gonna wait for it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my own. And because I was waiting forever just to get it in, and man, it took forever. So what I did is I measured this and marked up on the original steering wheel just for it to clear, to be able to actually fit over. See, I lined up my holes. I put the steering wheel on the adapter itself and made sure everything fit perfectly. I don't know if you guys can see in there. So I made everything myself, marked it all up, and I drilled the holes. I tapped them up to be able to fit a 1/4-20 bolt in there. So see, it screws in there perfectly fine. I tapped it and everything, and all 3 bolts that hold it in. So everything should line up pretty good, and I shouldn't have airbag light on due to the fact that I put resistors. Wherever my airbag wires were, I cut them, snipped them, and I attached a resistor in line for each one. So basically I used 2 resistors, and that should prevent the airbag light to come on. So I won't have that light on. And I'm putting it all back together now. So alright, so I'm putting this on. This actually goes in first. Line it up, and then I'll put this in here, and then put my screws on. It's a bit hard putting it in there, but I'll manage. Let's get the thread starting. The thread started at least. So I'll get the thread started on there. I put some Loctite on there. That's quite a bit, but I'd rather have more than not enough. It's in. Get a couple threads in before I tighten it up. Hopefully that center nut fits, clears with the washers I actually put on there. So I'm just test fitting everything right now, guys. I did not pre-test fit anything. And hopefully, yeah, screws are long enough. Let me see if they're, hopefully they're not too long where they touch in the back. So, alright, that's that. Go ahead and put the center one. Oh yeah, barely clear. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. So let me go ahead and tighten that up. It's in place. And then these. Nicely secured in there. Take this piece off. See, it looks nice. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't think it'll rough. We'll see. Alright, so I just wired up the horn, and I'm about to install the steering wheel now. I'm actually putting a little bit of Loctite on all the bolts. I don't want the steering wheel coming off, so GMC signs orient it. You can always move it. Ooh, I'm scared already. Alright, so finally getting everything put on. After all the hassle I went through. Oh my god, there's a lot. Tighten everything up. I gotta admit, it looks pretty clean. It's gonna match my interior. I like it. You guys let me know what y'all think. Comment below. Try it out, make sure nothing hits. My girl went inside. She was tired already, so she didn't help me record. You're struggling doing everything one-handed, the other hand holding the camera. It's all good. Alright, everything is nice and tight. Oh man, much better. I wonder if it rubs against anything. I guess not. Oh, she looks dope. My airbags on because I have the seats off, but it should come off as soon as I put the seats back in. So y'all let me know what y'all think, comment below. Still gotta fix all this, trim it all up, make it all look clean. So all right guys, catch you on the next one.